Good evening everybody, just welcome to my channel. Just to give you an update on my layout. Nearly finished, just to give you a bit of an update so far. I've just had a bit of a nightmare so far with the water. I'll show you in a sec. My easy water, which is, I just miscalculated. But yeah, just have a quick tour of it. Hope you all like it. My little British model engineering club. Little diorama I've done in the centre. Got a narrow gauge railway running the length of the layout. I can't tell you how tiny these things are, they're absolutely dinky. It's all seems to run smoothly. So I put some water in. Haven't really finished it yet. I only did it earlier today, but I just didn't have enough to put it good. Yeah, it didn't turn out like I was expecting it to. But yeah, my river ran dry until about here, so I'm going to have to get some more. That's my waterfall. That isn't in place in situ yet. It's just still a work in progress, that little bit. But we're getting there. Yeah, it's looking bright. It's looking cheerful. It's a great little size layout to have. So, but yeah, and it works lovely. I hope you like the my diorama kind of little narrow gauge. I'm really happy with it. The guy that made the little locos is an absolute star. So yeah, just gives a bit of a different feature to it. I've got my working signals on there. Plenty of animals, plenty of little people having a chat. Little station boards, the crossings, the signals. People on the chat by the river while the chauffeur waits in the distance. Looks alright from that angle of the water, but yeah, just needs to be a little bit something. I need to finish it off. I've been having a look at that many videos on YouTube how to do it, and I finally come around and got the courage to do it, and then I make a total faff of it. But that's the way it is. First time I've ever done it, so happy days. But yeah, the trains run around lovely. So yeah, I don't know what my next project will be. I'll be doing something else. I might try a double O gauge. Well, I've got one halfway done, a double O gauge layout, but I'll just have a bit of enjoy this one at the moment before I start anything else. Oh, signals are dead. So yeah, I hope you like a small video, and especially my little narrow gauge railway running along. I don't have a name for the layout yet. Open suggestions if you've got any. But yeah, it's just it's been great fun to make, and yeah, cracking. Like the old HST. Don't know if anybody obviously recognise that one as Mallard. And then we have the newest steam loco, Tornado. Right, thank you for watching. Hope it's my unedited videos give you a pleasure again. But yeah, I'll see you all in the next one. Should be, I don't know when I'm going to be doing the next bit of water, but it won't be long knowing me. But yeah, see you all soon and stay safe. Cheers, bye.